Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about unleashing the power of data for your business. Welcome back to our channel, Data Enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of Get Data Solutions, where we will explore how this powerful tool can revolutionize your business. So if you are ready to unlock the full potential of your data, stay tuned. In today's data-driven world, business need to harness the power of data to stay ahead of their competition. That's where Get Data Solution comes in. These tools help you collect, analyze, and visualize data to make informed decisions and drive growth. Let's break down the key component of Get Data Solutions. There are three main components to Get Data Solutions. The first component is data collection. This involves gathering data from various sources such as social media, customer feedback, and sales figures, and others as well. The more the data you collect, the better insight you can gain. So it's recommended to have more data to get better insights. The second component is data analysis. Once you have the data, it's time to analyze it. This process involves data cleaning, organizing, and interpreting the data to identify patterns and trends. The third component is data visualization. Finally, you will want to present your finding in a visually appealing way. This can include charts, graphs, and dashboards that make it easy for your team to understand and act on the insights. Let's come to examples of Get Data Solutions. Now that we know the basics, let's look at some real-life examples of Get Data Solution in action. Example 1. A retail business uses a Get Data Solution to track customer preferences and shopping habits. This information helps them to tailor their marketing campaigns and improve their product offerings. In example 2, healthcare organizations use Get Data Solution to analyze patient data and identify trends in health outcomes. This helps them to develop targeted intervention and improve patient care. Example 3, a financial service company uses Get Data Solution to monitor market trends and make data-driven investment decisions. Let's look into benefit of Get Data Solutions. So why should your business invest in Get Data Solutions? Here are some key benefits. Number 1, improve decision making. Data-driven insights help you make informed decisions that drive growth and success. It will show the direction of success and growth based on informed decision. The second one is increased efficiency. Automating data collection and analysis save time and resources, allowing your team to focus on other important tasks. So it will increase efficiency. The third benefit is enhanced customer experience. By understanding your customers' needs and preferences, you can tailor your products and services to better meet their expectations. Number 4 is competitive advantage. Leveraging data effectively can give you an edge over your competitors who may not be utilizing their data to its full potential. The fifth benefit is cost saving. Identifying inefficiencies and optimizing process based on data insight can lead to significant cost reductions. Number 6 is innovation. analyzing data can reveal new opportunities and inspire innovative ideas for products, services, or business strategies. Number 7 is risk management. Data analysis can help you identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them, protecting your business from unforeseen challenges. So those are some of the top benefits of Get Data Solutions. In conclusion, there you have it, folks. Get Data Solution can truly transform your business by unlocking the power of data. By investing in these tools, you'll be able to make better decisions, improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and gain competitive advantage. So don't wait any longer. Start exploring Get Data Solutions today. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Get Data Solutions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more data-driven content. And as always, if you have any question or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy data hunting, and use our tools for your business or work. Subscribe to our Get Data Solution. Thank you and bye-bye.